Okay guys, we didn't video getting it, but we picked it up. We had to put a temporary can up there on the roof. I mean near the windshield. And it's gravity fed. It's a 460 C6 with a gear vendor's drive. So that's why we got it. And it is a rusty mess. I don't think it has any fuel tanks in it. But yeah, and it's got water in the transmission, which I didn't see right away, which is kind of a bummer. The tranny is working, so we're gonna get it in the shop right now and get this thing draining, and then I'll give you like a good video, an overall all around this thing. But Shalina's gonna watch us drive off, and like it's rusty. It's a really floors deleted. Weight reduction everywhere. We got all kinds of gauges.
But you know what? The back seats and the headliner's nice.
Shalina says the back seats and the headline is nice. We got cowboy hat racks. I mean, come on.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, we're all set, man. Look at this thing. We're going to walk around it real quick, and then we're going to hand the phone off to Shalina. And I don't think you guys are really seeing the true potential of this rig. This might be a poverty tour deal. I don't know. It might put me into poverty trying to fix it, so I don't know. But we got rust holes. We got more rust holes. We have damage. We have headers and dual exhaust, though. We do have headers and dual exhaust. Yeah. Toolbox. Plastic inside, so that didn't rust out.
Yeah, toolbox is nice.
Yep, toolbox is good. Yeah, look at that. Everything's bubbling, so it's ready to fall off. The bottom of the door's wasted. The floors are wasted. The roof up there along the windshield, I think, is wasted. The back right back there is wasted. The floors are wasted. There's all kinds of wiring everywhere, like stuff that makes you want to carry a fire extinguisher. Like, I don't even know where that goes, but it goes somewhere. And we're cooking the battery.
Did you see all the wires under the dash?
I did. There's tons of wires under the dash. It has a killer transmission cooler, which is full of water.
That's
So,
awesome.
yeah, no charge for that. Chrome. Falling off. But yeah, okay. This headlight's in upside down, so that's cool. All right. Yeah, character. Shalina's going to unhook the battery and videotape us driving off.
All right. No, well, at least it's enough to get you off. Yeah, you might need to. There it is. Made it into the garage. That's good. Made our life a little bit easier. Sounds like that's all she had in her. All right.
That's all we're gonna get for now.
That's all we're getting for now.
That's it. Kinda. I think the gas can might be empty already.
Yeah, the gas can's probably empty.
Yeah, 'cause it's gravity feeding and or the carburetor.
And it's a tiny gas tank.
Nobody's business. The brakes are really stuck on.
Yeah. All right. Good brakes. Won't let us move that much. It's awesome. So, anyways.
We got no gas in the can.
No gas in the can.
So we're gonna get this up if you want pause and I'll get a quick.
So he's gonna get this up on the lift.
Okay guys, we got the Ford up on the lift and we're gonna give it a quick eyeball. I want to get the tranny draining because that's mainly my main thing, and I see water dripping. See it? It's running out of somewhere. So I start looking around. We're gonna look around.
The truck is crying.
The truck is crying. Look at this. Look at the Hackery. I love it. So you know how to fix the freeze plug. You pack it full of RTV.
Yeah, that's how you do it.
You don't do it once. You do it twice. Where are you?
Twice as nice.
Twice as nice. None of it's right. And the thing's full of water. I'm kind of bummed about trying to be full of water. But I'm guessing they did all the freeze plugs that way.
All of them are that way?
Yeah.
How,
Look at this.
how much
That is just awesome.
how difficult you think it's going to be to...
I think we can get at those, so hopefully we don't have to pull the motor to do them. Starter's coming out on this side. But I think we can drive new freeze plugs.
Yeah,
They're all mudded in. That might be a new one right there.
Oh, you got one new one?
There might be one new one. It's probably the wrong size because it's all goosey me coming up. Yeah, they're all silicone. Every single one of them is silicone. So we're gonna drain this tranny or get it draining.
Is this the overdrive ball?
That's the This is why we bought this thing. Is this overdrive gear vendor thing right here? Let me zoom you guys back out. This thing. This is the overdrive unit. Hopefully this will fit under the T-Bird because this might end up where it ends up going. But we'll see. I mean, yeah. The C6, it's got that, that's a gear vendor's unit. So that's kind of neat. It has a drain plug. So if that's full of water, we can drain it. Hopefully nothing's ruined. This tranny is working. We just drove it in, but I don't like having water in the transmission. So we're going to drain this real quick. There's our floor. That's deleted. And, well, we do have one gas tank. We don't have a filler neck for it. There's a gas tank.
Yeah, this looks like the same gas tank that we have out there, is it?
The long one? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. We have a sending unit in it. There's a sending unit in there, guys. We have a two-piece drive shaft. We have a Dana 60, I believe. Might be a 70, but it's probably a 60. I'm wondering if this truck was underwater. It's odd to have the tranny full of water. It's got dual exhaust. Turns sideways. It's because it's serious. Shalina says it's serious. It's got all kinds of those unions and the brake lines, or gas lines, or whatever line that is. I think that's a brake line. It's got plenty of hoses. It's got an electric pump that goes nowhere. This got some stuff in it. This has got some stuff in it. I'm guessing they were using that to transfer a pump, probably because the valve doesn't switch from left to right anymore, or front to back, or whatever these things have. But yeah, okay guys, that's what we're going to see. We're going to, let me know. Poverty Tour, Shalina was talking about it earlier. Do we take this on Poverty Tour, or is it going to make us go into poverty trying to fix it? Because it's ugly. It is really ugly. But we'll see. We'll see what we get. Somebody made a pretty nice collector on that header. Kind of different there. 2-bolt collector instead of the old 3 deal. But okay guys, that's going to be it.
As always, like, share, and subscribe.